What's up, everyone? Cisco here with FC Repairs. So I have a 2004 Ford Taurus with a V6 3.0. Customers complaining of a check engine light. I went ahead and scanned it, and it has a P0304 for cylinder number 4 misfire. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to rule out if it's a coil or a spark plug. So stay tuned. So I got live data up right now. Show you guys the misfire in cylinder number 4. So right now cylinder number 4 is at 23. It's counted 23 misfires so far. So I'm going to show you how to rule out if it's a coil or not. It's pretty easy. Luckily, cylinder number 4 is in the front and we don't have to remove the intake on this vehicle. Okay, on this engine right here, underneath the intake you have 3 other coils along with these 3 in the front. So the firing order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to take 4, move it to 6, and 6 to move it to 4, and go back into our scanner and see live data to see if our misfire has jumped from 4 to 6. Went ahead and removed the bolts on 4 and 6. The size for those are 8mm. So you got 2, well, you got 1 for each. So let's go ahead and disconnect 4, disconnect 6. It's also good to inspect the boots, make sure nothing's ripped or anything. Looks good. Inspect this in 6. Push down. And then we're going to take 6, put it in 4. Plug this back in. There we go. Let's put our bolts back in. Always start your bolts by hands, man. This will save you from cross-threading. Once you get them snug down pretty good with your hands, go ahead and get them a little snug with a ratchet. You ain't got to go too crazy on these. Over tighten them, you can take a chance of cracking the plastic on the coil. Alright, so let's get in our vehicle, pull up the live data on our scanner, and see if our misfire has moved. Alright, start her up. Pull up our live data. Alright, so let's find cylinder number 4. So 12, that was the old misfire count. This is current. 0 current right now. I'll go down to cylinder number 6. Cylinder number 6, 10 misfires. Alright. So that's a quick and easy way to rule out if you have a bad coil. Luckily, like I said, this one was in the front. I didn't have to remove the intake manifold to get to the back 3. If my misfire was in cylinder 1, 2, or 3, then that would have to come off to get to it. I lucked out on getting the front one, but you know, I thought this was a pretty good tip to share to somebody, you know, to help rule out if they got a bad coil or a bad plug. So, you know, do the easy stuff first to help you figure stuff out. So, you know, if you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, you know, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. I'll try to keep these tech tips coming out to help, you know, help everybody out, share the information. So, thanks guys, thanks for watching.